how to add or remove the Google Chrome search widget to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now go to the home screen page that you want to add in the widget. Then touch and hold on an empty space. Now go down and tap on widgets. Then scroll down and tap on Chrome. Now in here, touch and hold or drag the Chrome search widget and drop it onto your home screen. Now in here, you can drag on one of the handles to resize the widget and then tap on the blank spot to save the changes. And that's it. So now if you want to quickly search for something, you can just tap on it and that open up the search page ready for you to search for something that you need. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.